Keftedes, Greek meatballs, that's what we're making today. Using my godmother Vivian's famous recipe all the way. Vivian was beautiful, inside and out. One of the greatest cooks there ever was, no doubt. So like, share, subscribe, hit that bell for me. Drop a comment down below.
My Greek godmother, Vivian, was not only beautiful inside and out, she was an amazing cook. And this is her recipe for Greek meatballs, known as Keftedes. I hope I said that right. So, let's get cooking. 1 onion, small, chopped up very fine. Fresh mint, at least 2 tablespoons of fresh mint chopped up nice and fine. Now don't make the mistake I made with the onion. I didn't chop mine fine enough, so I had to pull some out as I was mixing. Make sure you chop that onion fine. Now once we get the onion chopped up and the mint chopped up, get a large mixing bowl out. Put all that in there. Then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. And we're going to come back with some fresh ground pepper. Just a couple spins there. Some what am I trying to say? Oregano, dried oregano. About a tablespoon's worth. 1 cup of breadcrumb. And we'll get in there and mix that up real good. Now we're going to come back with a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. And 3 cloves of garlic that we minced up really well. And again, we'll get in there with our spatula and mix that up real good. Okay. Now we're going to add 2 eggs. Then we're going to come back with ground beef. 2 pounds of ground beef. And I'll put our gloves on. And we'll get in there and mix this up real well. And you can see my onions are just too big. I can't believe I did that. But they still come out amazing. But at least now you know to chop your onions up nice and small. Alright, once we get this all mixed up, we're going to cover it with saran wrap and put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. Let those flavors marry together. Then we'll get our ice cream scoop out. And I've got a cookie sheet with some non-stick silicone base there. And we're just going to use the ice cream scoop and then roll it in our hands to make the balls. And this way, you'll see with the ice cream scoop, all the meatballs will be pretty much the same size. It really makes it a lot easier when you're making meatballs to use that scooper. You don't have to worry about using a spoon and guessing if it's as much meat as the one you just made. With the scooper, boom, they're all going to be in the same ballpark. So we'll get those all made up and put to the side. We got our cast iron filled with oil, and we get the heat up to 350. So while we're waiting on that heat to come up to 350 on our oil, we're going to make a quick little Greek salad to go with our meatballs. A couple of Roma tomatoes that we're just going to chop up bite-sized pieces. Put into a small bowl. And then we're going to go with arugula next. We'll put some arugula in there. And then we're going to add some feta cheese, some salt and some pepper, red wine vinegar, and olive oil. Very simple Greek salad. Easy to make. So while we're finishing up the salad, if I get you to please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. If you can hype, please hype the video. And please leave a comment if you can. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. I put a new show out every Sunday and every Wednesday morning. So I hope you come back often and have some fun. Alright, our salad's just about done. Our heat in our frying pan is up to temp. So it's time to put those meatballs in the oil. Now once we get these meatballs in the oil, they're only going to cook for about 12 to 15 minutes max. You do about 7 minutes on one side. We'll roll them over, do 7 minutes on the other side, and you can use your thermometer to test to see the internal temperature. I went with 155 because they're still going to cook once I take them out of the oil. But what you want to get a very nice crust on the outside of these meatballs, and the inside is going to be soft, chewy, and just tender as can be. But it's the outside that you want a nice crust. So don't rush that part. And we'll take them out, put them on some paper towel to drain, and we'll get our plate out, lay down some of that Greek salad we made earlier, and put a couple of meatballs on top of that Greek salad and serve them up. And I'm telling you, these are so delicious. Like I said before, I think they're better than Italian meatballs, and that says a lot. So listen, hey, make this recipe. My godmother Vivian, she knows what she was doing with these suckers. They're amazing. All right? Hey, we'll see you on the next video. I appreciate you all very much. Come back soon.
Keftedes, Greek meatballs, that's what we're making today. Using my godmother Vivian's famous recipe all the way. Vivian was beautiful, inside and out. One of the greatest cooks there ever was, no doubt. So like, share, subscribe, hit that bell for me. Drop a comment down below so everyone can see. New shows every Sunday and Wednesday too. Buzz cooks in the kitchen cooking up for you. Now let's get cooking, here's what you need. 1 diced onion and fresh mint indeed. 3 cloves of garlic minced up fine. Salt and pepper to make it shine. 1 cup breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese. Half a cup will bring you to your knees. 2 pounds ground beef in the bowl we go. Mix it all up nice and slow. Roll those meatballs, don't make them small. Heat that oil to 350, that's the call. Drop the